Are you a content creator and you are tired of always holding your phone while you are creating a content? Or are you a vlogger? You vlog, you go out, you vlog, and you are holding your phone all the time? Worry no more, guys. This product right here will help you to make your content without holding your phone. If you want to have that point of view, if you want to create your content without holding your phone, this product right here is right for you. Is a neck fold holder, phone holder. It will help you hold your phone while you are creating your content. Okay, it's a silicone made product. Is very lightweight. These are the accessories that come with it. That is the phone mat. Like if you want, that is where you put your phone. If you want it to be longer or shorter, it comes in two different form. Okay, if you want it to be long, or if you want it to be short, this product is for you. Okay, right here I'm just trying to put them together, and it's very easy to put together. I'll just lose that up, and I will just place that inside it, then I'll lock it back. As you can see, just follow the direction. It's very easy to put together. Okay, then I will take the unscrew the nut that is over there, so that I can place the other one inside, just like that. As you can see, I'm just going to insert it inside. Then I will use the screw to hold it together. I screw it back together, and I'm going to show you guys how to use this product. Okay, and that is the chest pad that will help you to lean against your chest. Okay, now it's all put together. It's not heavy at all. It's very lightweight. It's very lightweight, and it's very comfortable to put around your neck. Okay, I've already set it up. Now it's time to try it. Okay, let me show you guys how to use it. Okay, and it's very affordable. The price is so good, guys. Now I've put it all together. I just want to show you guys how to do it. You just insert it back. It's just a click. As you can see, you can adjust it in any ways you like. Then I'm just going to put my phone. Okay, look at it, guys. Like, you can go out and vlog without holding your phone. You don't need to use your hands, as you can see right there. And you can turn it the other way around. Like, you can do a vertical or a horizontal shooting, any how you like it. You see the way I turn my phone? Yeah, you can also do it like that. Okay, you can just be vlogging around. Now I'm just going to do the other one, because there's another small one. Like, if you want it short, okay, I just unscrew it and put it back. It's very easy to put together. This is the best vlogging or making video equipment that I've ever have. Okay, it's very easy to use. I'll put back the phone mat. Okay, the phone holder. Then I'll put my phone right there. I lock it up. Then look at it, guys. If you want to make your video without holding your phone, this is the right product for you. This is the right product for you. You can take it. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. This is me using it, guys. Look at it. I don't need to worry. Like, if you don't even have a tripod, you can just use this. Make sure to click on the orange cards down below and get yours. Okay, it's very affordable and it's free shipping, guys. Look at the way I'm using it. Look at, I don't even need to worry about a tripod or holding my phone. Like, if you don't have tripod, this is the best one for you. Very easy and to use, and you can see straight to what I'm doing. Okay, I love it. Very good. I recommend that you guys to go get yours. Okay, I'll leave the link where you can get yours down below. Okay, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye bye.